bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you?
A prestigious platform has been set to publicly acknowledge the professionalism and dedication of members within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. It's the LASCO Jamaica Constabulary Force Police Officer of the Year program, established in 2000. Sergeant Ava Lindo was the 2015-2016 LASCO JCF Top Cop.
It's a platform of honor.
But more than that, she's of the belief it's a platform to do good. So this top cop has worked consistently to improve her community and organization since winning the title.
I used the theme this year, for the year of my reign. No one cares how much you know until they know how much you care. For me, it's about doing. It's not just about talking about what you're able to do, but for people to really feel and see that you really care about them.
During her year of reign, Sergeant Lindo has been working to inspire young people, empowering them to reject a life of crime and violence. She has been hosting forums, seminars, and lectures focusing on topics such as parenting, child care and protection, and police-citizen relations. A blood drive was organized to boost collection for the blood bank, and with the support of Food for the Poor, the Barnes Basic School was outfitted with needed furniture. The 2015-2016 Top Cop awardee has also created and distributed an exercise book containing safety tips for children to guard against sexual abuse.
The messages that are in there will help the child or the children to identify who are some of the abusers. They're not necessarily strangers, but they are family members. Where to go for help, there's a teacher, there is your guidance counselor, to talk with your parents and somebody that you trust and know will protect and care for them.
Sergeant Ava Lindo is a team player, and finalists in the 2016-2017 Top Cop Awards program had her support in a week of activities geared at determining her successor. They were engaged in the mentorship program of the Community Safety and Security branch of the JCF. Approximately 200 students from Meadowbrook High, City College, YMCA, Possibilities Foundation, and Calabar High benefited from motivational talks to help them in becoming successful adults.
There are some people who will tell you that you can't make it, but that is their lie. Do not believe it. Find that strength within you and rise above it and stand in your place of strength. You can become anything that you want to be, and nobody can take that away from you.
Study hard, that's the first foundation. Don't compare yourself to others. Everybody is born with different skills and different talent, so you are an important person.
Besides all the talk, there was a peace march through Halfway Tree and friendly football competitions among children from the schools.
You don't have one school playing against another school. You have members of each team comprises of individuals from all schools. So we have sportsmanship being displayed, persons learning how to play with each other and just to get along in general. Too often we've had much issues with boys from different schools in terms of fighting and rivalry between schools. And so we decided that if we could get the finalists on board to just oversee and mentor teams, then we can get the boys playing together and start building that gap in terms of rivalry between schools in the corporate area.
The week of activities formed part of the judging for determining who will succeed as the 2016-2017 LASCO JCF Top Cop.
We have an opportunity to look at their deportment, their general discipline and demeanor as we select or decide on who best suit the title Police Officer of the Year.
You have to be passionate about serving.